Hello guys, I am reporter Landy from Conmart, which is a vertical service platform of construction machinery. As I said, I'll bring more and more domestic industrial information and show you more about the latest development of Chinese enterprises. First of all, let's take a look at the first news.
World's first driverless electric container truck rolled off the assembly line and tested in Sany's Zhuhai factory.
And this is a big technological innovations for Sany Group. Across the environment like port is perfect starting point for autonomous driving. As for the application scenario of unmanned driving, I think the first opening must be achieved in the closed environment of freight transport. If raw freight is going to be used in the future, it will probably be dedicated routes. Let's keep an eye on the technical breakthroughs brought by Sany Group.
The Fuzhou Pingtan Bridge will be China's first sea-crossing bridge accommodating both cars and rail traffic. The Zoomlion BWM3S lift and the D110063, TC703516, and TC701510E tower cranes were selected for this project for their outstanding performance, even in the harsh environments.
As you always know, Zoomlion is one of China's greatest companies and has made great achievements for the world's economic development. It provides great conditions for China development and a lot of talented people. On June 14, the launching ceremony of the first batch of 100 super tall, pure electronic intelligent environmental protection marked car and 200 Hangfeng G5 LNG tractors was held in XCMG industry. So far, XCMG has received 2 landmark orders from the new energy heavy trucks industry in this year.
The 100 pure electric intelligent environmental protection mark vehicles delivered are the first engineering innovative products with super tall in China. At the same time, the 200 LNG tractors delivered are more classic projects. As early as in 2017, XCMG set a new record of a single order size of LNG tractors industrial with a scale of 300 units, and this time the 200 units is a brilliant continental.
Breaking news: XCMG made another achievement in the world history. The world's largest towing crane XCA1600 conducted its first hoist by installing a 140-meter towing turbine, marking a breakthrough in hoisting performance. This is not just a huge achievement for XCMG, but also a huge achievement for China. Let's congratulate XCMG on its iconic breakthrough. As a fan of Chinese products, I will continue to pay attention on them, and please feel free to let me know if you have any questions. And see you next time.